It's finally beginning to look a lot like winter. The last-minute rush to shore up salt supplies, get the new shovel, and for plows to get ready. And WBZ's Kristina Rex is live at the Worcester DPW tonight.
Kristina, they are ready for whatever Mother Nature throws at them, I hope.
They are, Paula and Liam. The trucks behind me sit idle right now here at Worcester DPW, but that's because they're waiting for the 11:30 p.m. shift to start. They'll be getting ready for some precipitation tomorrow morning and then that big storm this weekend.
Sand and salt into the trucks, waiting for a major storm that could bring more than a foot of snow. It'll be the first time this winter all plow trucks at VIP Landscaping will be at work.
Business-wise, it's been pretty slow from the standpoint we haven't had any snow.
No snow? Bad for business. Owner Brett Bartleson is excited for the work that'll come with this weekend's storm.
Have you been getting any calls from customers or anything leading up to this weekend?
Oh yeah, there's a lot of people underprepared for this.
His customers might be in denial, hoping winter will never actually show up.
They're all calling last minute, wondering if we can get on the list and everything. A lot of people didn't really expect the winter to actually kick in, and always catches people off guard when you get the first major snowstorm.
That last minute rush.
I am getting a nice big bag of the ice melt.
Bringing business to Green's Hardware in Wellesley too.
Thank you.
Hopefully we'll get more to come, it helps bring in the business and then we sell everything else.
So it does have an effect on your business?
It does, very much so.
With a shifting forecast and the possibility of snow, hail, slush and ice, customers say
It's better to be safe than sorry and have it and not need it than need it and not have it.
And Eric mentioned the real story of this storm will be the ice that follows it. That's what we're hearing a lot from plow drivers as well. They say they're focusing on a mix of both sand and salt instead of just salt to make sure the roads are safe to drive. Live in Worcester, Kristina Rex, WBZ News.
Kristina, thank you. Stay